Good morning, students. Today I have a small video here to review the Time Math 2 worksheet. Just going to go through some problems with you. It was an assignment, it was a homework, but these are the solutions. So here we go. Okay, we'll start with number 1 and just move its way around. We do our usual. We break it up into hours, minutes, and seconds. And it looks like I can certainly take 31 away from 45, or 45 minus 31 doesn't equal a negative number. So 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. There's my seconds. In my minutes, 50 minus 50, we can certainly do a 0, 0. And in my hours, 2 minus 2, we can certainly do a 0, 0. So for number 1, we have 0 hours, 0 minutes, and 14 seconds. Great. Let's move over to number 2. Okay, here we have problem number 2. Again, we're going to separate our lines between hours, minutes, and seconds. That's something you could do less of as you become more comfortable with the math. All right, starting with seconds. 22 minus 22 is easy. We have 0, 0. Excuse me. In my minutes, I have 21 minus 18. I can do that. 18 smaller than 21. 19, 20, 21. That's 3. Use your fingers if you have to. This is easy math. It's subtraction. 4 minus 4 is 0, 0. Also, in reference to the easy math, you could use a calculator within the columns. So you could use a calculator for seconds. You could use a calculator for minutes. You could use a calculator for hours. But you can't use the calculator for borrowing. So answer for problem number 2 is 0 hours, 3 minutes, and 0 seconds. All right. Problem number 3. Here we go. All right, our first situation where we cannot take away 53 from 37. So we must borrow. All right, I'm going to put in my divider lines. So here's what's going to happen. I'm going to throw a different color at you. We have to take away from 28 and make it 27. Don't forget to do that. When I cross this line, I'm changing from from minutes to seconds. And I know that there's 60 seconds in every minute, so I have to add 60 to what I already have. So we add 37 plus 60, 7, and looks like we're going to end up with 97. So what we have to do is get some room over here. Whoops, whoops, whoops. 97 goes here. (97 minus 53 is 44. 27 minus 22 is 5. And 8 minus 8 is 0, 0. All right, again, whenever you're borrowing, make sure that you're able to remember that there's 60 seconds in every minute and 60 minutes in every hour. Okay, here's problem number 4. 21 minus 21, that is easy. 0, 0. All right, 58 minus 29, certainly something we could do. Remember, simple math in here. Just do what you remember. All right, can't do 8. All right, so we'll make that a 4 and carry on. 18 minus 9 is 9. 4 minus 2 is 2. 29, standard math. 10 minus 10 is 0, 0. So there's our answer for problem number 4. Okay, here's problem number 5. 7 hours, 41 minutes, 31 seconds minus 7 hours, 32 minutes, 48 seconds. If you want to draw your vertical lines in for hours, minutes, and seconds, please do. If by this time you're okay and comfortable with it, don't worry about it. All right, once again, I cannot I cannot take away 48 from 31 without a negative number. So I must borrow from 41. I'm going to cross it out and make it 40. Cross this line, I have to add 60 to my 31 because I'm borrowing 60 seconds, so that makes 91. So 31 becomes 91. All right, 91 minus 48. Again, basic math. This is where you could use a calculator. 8, 3, 8 minus 4, 43. I always suggest using a calculator because it's more accurate than we are. In the long run, it's helpful. Sorry about that craziness. And 7 minus 7 is 0, 0. All right, let's slide on over. Here's number 6. Again, another situation where 23 can't remove 25 from it without a negative number. So 54 gets turned into 53. Moving across, I have to add 60 to 23. That'll give me, sorry, not 3. 23. That'll give me 83. If you could see, the math is getting a little more logical. 83 minus 25. 57. 53 minus 42, 11. And 0 minus 0 is 1, 1. Great. Remember, you could always rewind and watch these again and practice, practice, practice. That's the best part of time math. Here's number 7. Again, I can't take 52 from 21. Not without making a negative number. So I have to start here at the 9. Borrow. So I'm making that a 0, 8. All right. 60 plus 21 because I borrowed a minute. Now I have 60 seconds. That'll give me 81. 21 becomes 81. Okay, 81 minus 52. Basic math here, people. All right. 11 minus 2 is 9. 7 minus 5 is 2. 29. And I have another issue. I can't take 42 away from 8. So I must borrow from the 11. I'll make it a 10. Now, same idea. There's 60 minutes in every hour. Okay, so when I borrowed, I have to add 60 to 08, and I'll make it a 68. That I can do. 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. And there we go. That's a double borrow. Probably one of the more difficult. Okay, here's problem number 8. 28 minus 28. Well, that's easy. We're going to hit 0, 0. Can't do 4 minus 12, right? That'll give me a negative. So I borrow from the 9. I make the 9 an 8. That hour right here I borrowed is 60 minutes. So I have to add 60 to 4, which will give me 64. That's what my 4 is. So 64 minus 12 is doable. 2, 5, and 8 minus 8 is 0, 0. 0 minute hours, 52 minutes, 0 seconds. All right, I'm going to do the next 8 problems on another video. So this is the first 8 for you. All right, just so the video isn't too long. I'll see you shortly.